can use this system if there is already a building or business on the ground floor and you can add another floor. Optional lift. The purpose is used by workers to carry out maintenance or pick up when the platform is jammed. Separate nature or independent, so no effect on the other floors if there is a problem. Simple repair and does not need to take things out from the floor below. Because of this system, so small electricity can use solar power or anything. No need big cost. Very easy maintenance. Can be used for many business like house or room, car garage, parking or business on every floor.
For this area, the use of vehicle parking is only low income, but by using our system, you can get two direct uses, namely the ground floor for selling businesses or shops and the top for parking. Quick return of capital. Shop business can be contracted or sold. For shop businesses, you don't need to spend more money because you can directly use this system framework.